Hi there guys, it's me, Miss Kitty D. Really excited to see you guys. Okay, so today is an unboxing day. We have not set up a schedule yet, so I'm thinking of making Mondays Mindfulness Mondays, but for today it is an unboxing day, which you would know if you've gone to the gram and seen our gram. And if you have come here from the gram and you are new, then hello. Welcome, you have found your home. You're now officially part of the Pretty Kitty Squad. Yay. And what does it mean for you? Simply means that you are beautiful, you are loved, you always have been, but now we are going to celebrate that with you. We are going to help you celebrate that, and we are going to help you find the things in your life that are beautiful, amplify them, amplify your personal beauty, help you recognize that, own that, live it, love it, yes! Okay, so let's get to this unboxing. Alright, it is from Amazon. Okay, kind of a heavy box to be honest. Woo woo! I'm excited. I got a lot of things. I don't even remember what I got, so it was kind of a whole little bit of beauty stuff, a little bit of mindfulness stuff, just some cool stuff that we are going to do some videos on. I'm geeked. We're not going to do videos on everything right now. I'm just going to show them to you. Have some fun. I already opened it. Here's the poofy stuff. Woo! I actually was able to bribe my cameraman. You can tell by the better angles. I actually have a cameraman today, but I was able to bribe my cameraman partially by offering this to him for his services. Woo! So cameraman, you get to keep this. That's for the cameraman. So, yeah. Alright. Oh my gosh, where do I start? Alright. Oh, P.S. If you're loving the makeup and you want to zoom in on the makeup and see, all of my makeup today is courtesy of the Ipsy September 2020 bag. Okay, we have talked about this in our Ipsy 2020 bag, the unboxing Ipsy 2020 September video. Go to that video, hint, after this one, okay, or right now if you're more into that. This is the makeup I'm wearing. The only thing that's not in this bag, literally the only thing that's not in this bag is the lip gloss. That's Avon, strange but true. This entire look was created by this one little $12 bag. So if you're not doing Ipsy yet, get on it, friends. Get on the Ipsy. Alright, back to the unboxing. Okay, first things first. First things first on the list. Woo! Alright, the box is a little messy, which I've mentioned this before about Amazon. They're kind of careless about the products when they put them in. I mean, but whatever, okay? They get to you, they're just a little banged up. This is I Do Care Peel It, okay? This is a new Korean skincare product, a Korean skincare line that I'm excited to start sharing with you guys on a regular basis, just like we have other things that we look at, Soko Glam, Ipsy, things like that. This is another one I'd like to share with you on a regular basis. It's really exciting, and they have a lot of products named for kitties and kittens. Woo! So, kitty alert, yeah. Okay, so this is the I Do Care Peel It Exfoliating Vitamin C Treatment Pads. We're talking just you pull out a pad and you wipe it down. Oh, yes. So guess what? We're going to do a video including this, so you better come back and look for it. What's next? Oh yeah, I'm doing you like that. This is a tease video. Come on, what you thought? Okay. What? Another brand. This is H2O Plus Beauty Sea Salt Body Wash. Okay, so I tried a sample of this, and oh my gosh, had to have the full-size bottle. Woo! This stuff is so good. It wakes you up, it refreshes you, it feels so good. It's like a little minty, not too minty to where like your bits and pieces are like on fire. Ooh, I hate that. You know what I'm talking about. It goes from minty like ooh to minty like ooh, like not fun. This is just slightly minty enough to wake you up and make you feel time to wake up. You know, I love it. It's so nice. And it doesn't mention the mint anywhere, but it says oceanside scent, but it's just good minty. So we're going to do a full review on this, including ingredients and why you need it, why you love this brand, blah, blah, another time. Moving on. I know it's such a tease. You want to know the real deal, because I give it to you like that. But we're not doing it today. Oh my gosh, this one I'm really going to tease you. This is I Do Care. But I don't care if you want to see the whole package. We're going to look at that in detail on a whole big I Do Care. Because I do care. I do care that you want to know about I Do Care. And we're going to look at it in another video. Do you see all that I'm stocking up on to show you guys? Oh, you love it. So do I. God bless your hearts. Oh, now let me peek. Let me see if this is the one. This is Kitty on it. Ooh, child. Ooh. Oh. Is the cameraman trying to peek? Don't peek, cameraman. Don't peek. Don't give them that. Don't give them that luxury. They can't. Not yet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this has been opened. Oh, okay. Chirping here. Ooh. Okay. Not yet. Uh-oh. Here's one of the ones. I Do Care. Woo! I Do Care. Woo! Okay, this one. Go ahead and zoom in. This is the Mini Meow Trio. This is a triple set of skincare masks that you put on and then peel off or wash off. And they are all kitty themed. And they come with a kitty hairband, just like our favorite. You know the Eddie hairband that we always wear? Oh man. You guys, you know the white kitty hairband I always wear to wash my face? And well, if you do our Twitch videos, if you watch our Twitch videos, you might have seen it on here on our YouTube channel, but go to the Twitch channel. I always wear my videos where I wash my face and do my 10-step Korean skincare. Anyway, this one's a black one. So now I have a black one and a white one. I'm geeked. I'm so geeked. I'm trying to collect all of them. I love them. Ah, so fun, so fun, so fun. Okay, so yeah. But this comes with a hairband. It's just probably in another box. So, because I think they like split them up separately is what it said in shipping and handling. So, anyway, this is one with the I Do Care. Do you see how many packages? In this box that I'm not showing you, there are literally 3 products in this box and a tool. Woo! And no, I'm not being the tool by not showing you. It's a mystery, baby. Alright, got 3 more things and then we're going to be done, okay? Alright, look, this is nice. These people were nice and actually... Alright, well this is Palmer's. I mean, you know we love Palmer's. We talked about their soap, their bar of soap that I use, the Skin Success Lightening, Brightening, Whitening. This is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E, Moisturizing Raw Shea Cocoa Body Wash. With cocoa cream scent. Well, of course, it's raw shea. It's going to smell like that, isn't it? So, ethically and sustainably sourced cocoa butter shea butter. Oh, I'm getting into it. Let's not get into it. Oh, I have to save it. I'm so used to doing that. Okay. Save it for later. But yes, this is going to be a fun product to get into. We're going to be doing a series on Palmer's. They have like 3 different sets. One is going to be like the raw shea. One is the whitening lightning. And then they have another one that is like coconut oil or something. Oh, I don't know. I'm going to do a whole thing on it. We're going to get into it. It's really fun. It's cool. It's not the Palmer's that your grandma knew. It's certainly not the Palmer's your mama knew. This is our Palmer's. Okay, fam? We're so excited. Yes! Okay. Last 2 things. What have we got? Oh my gosh. I said 2, but I didn't realize this one is 6 in 1. Oh, this is Koji. And, okay, you remember my story about Kimora Lee Simmons? If you haven't, what are you doing? Kimora Lee Simmons. I've talked about this in like every single video I can. Kimora Lee Simmons, ex-wife of Russell Lee Simmons, who also saved my life with his financial advice and his whole thing on being rich has more to do with your soul than it does your wallet. Okay, well, Kimora wrote a book called Fabulosity. It's this beautiful golden book. And it talks about putting the you in unique, right? Owning the part of you that makes you different than everybody else. What is that about me? I'm paler than most people. I'm very, 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 very pale. And people made fun of me. People called me powder. They said, oh, did you fall off a donut? Because you look like powder. You know? Because I can see right through you, Casper. I can see your veins, the worms crawling on you. You're already in the grave. I see the veins on you. I see the worms crawling on you. It was harsh, man. But I learned with Kimora Lee's help to love myself, to own that part, and to amplify that part. So instead of putting on fake tanner and bronzer, I started wearing SPF 50. I started using lightening products to own the fact that I'm a redhead, not cursed, but blessed with pale skin. God made all the colors in the crayon box, okay? He loves all of us. I have 5 children now, each a different beautiful color. Every shade of caramel and pale and brown, just different shades, all gorgeous. I have so much love for everybody. And I have so much love for myself now too. Thank you. Shout out to Morley Simmons, okay? This is a lightening, brightening, whitening soap set. And I am excited to share this with you. It's called Koji. It uses kojic acid, a special type of acid to help with that. It's natural. So we're going to talk a lot about this in another video. This is a tease video. There are 6 soaps that have 6 different things that they do. Not just whitening, brightening, other things like a charcoal one that detoxifies, etc. We'll get into it. Lots of fun. But I just wanted to share that story every chance I get because I want you to think about it. Put the you in unique, friends. That's what makes us beautiful, right? Miss Kitty D, beautiful life. What's that stand for? Beautiful. Be beautiful. Be beautiful. Put the you in unique, friends. I love you. Nobody else said that today. Bitch, I love you. Alright? Last thing. This is the Anagram for Relationships. It's one of the books that I ordered. Not the book me and Cameron were hoping for. You know, pout, pout, pout. We were kind of hoping it was going to be Cookeology. Cookeology is a set of really fun quizzes and tests, and I'm so excited to share that one with you. But in the meantime, this one's really cool too. It's about personality types and like how they fit together so that you can communicate well with others who don't communicate the same fashion as you. Like if I'm a personality type who overshares, some people maybe feel put off by that and they get nervous about it. And so how can I communicate better with others in their personality types, that kind of thing. So I'd like to learn about that because I'm learning about communicating with you guys, all my beautiful friends out there. And I think this will help me and help you guys, and maybe we can talk about this on a Mindfulness Monday video when we start doing our Mindfulness Mondays, when I start actually sticking to a daggone schedule. Okay, so our box is now empty, but nothing's ever really empty, is it? Because that was full of fun, and I had a lot of fun with you guys, and I can't wait to do individual videos for each item. So how many videos is that? Oh my gosh, we can make 1 million out of them because you know I can talk for days, and I can find all the info you guys need to know, from ingredients and how safe they are and how ethically sustained they are and what they do for your skin, to reading each chapter aloud to you as many times as you want me to in any voice you want me to, and you know, we're gonna have a good time. All right, God bless you. I love each and every one of you. Okay, you're beautiful, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Miss Kitty D out.